So there's been a lot of buzz lately surrounding the OCR because in August it dropped to the lowest it's been in 4 years, and there could be more drops happening, with some people saying that it could drop to as low as 3.5% by the end of 2025. But what even is the OCR anyway? So let's break it down and start with the Boss Bank, which is the Reserve Bank of New Zealand. So the Boss Bank is basically the owner of the money in New Zealand. This is where it starts, and to keep it moving it is sold to the standard banks. So think Kiwi Bank, ASB, ANZ, you get the idea. So this is where the OCR comes in. The OCR, or the official cash rate, is the cost that the standard banks will pay for the money from the Boss Bank or the Reserve Bank of New Zealand. So then after it's gone to the standard bank will add on their fees like any business would, and then that is the next rate that you get from your standard bank. But what does that mean for you? So when the OCR drops, obviously banks are paying less for the money, so the interest rates that you receive could drop. They also might change their policy slightly, making it easier for people to borrow. But wait, why doesn't the Boss Bank just sell the money to the standard banks for cheaper? So then we all get cheaper money. Well, it's because the OCR is the Reserve Bank's superpower for controlling inflation. So they want to keep inflation between 1% and 3%. But inflation is a whole nother topic. But on basic terms, something that cost $100 last year should in effect cost between $101 and $103 this year. So the OCR is something that the Reserve Bank will adjust slightly to ensure that they keep between those levels of inflation. So next time you hear about the OCR dropping, just remember it's part of the big bank's plan to keep the economy running smoothly.